Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the app so data stops flowing immediately. First, open the app and sign out of any accounts, then disable in-app sync and automatic backups. Once done, go to System Network Settings and toggle cellular and Wi-Fi access for that specific app to off. This prevents background transfers. Make sure to note which services inside the app still run locally so you can address them next. This reduces risk while you perform deeper controls. Next, you dig into permissions and runtime features that let the app gather data. Revoke unnecessary permissions for location, contacts, photos, and microphone so the app can no longer access those sources. Then disable background app refresh and push notifications to stop periodic wakes. For stronger control, use the OS-level firewall or a router rule to block the app's domains or ports. This stops telemetry and API calls. Make sure to test the app after each change to confirm data flow has stopped. To finish, clear the app cache and local storage so residual data and queued uploads are removed. If you no longer need the app, uninstall it to eliminate future risk. Once done, audit linked accounts and third-party syncs, disconnect any services that still have access. If you see unexpected data activity, run a network monitor or packet capture to identify endpoints, then block those IPs or domains. If blocking fails, revoke tokens from the service dashboard or change passwords to cut access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.